This video is to explain how to replace the batteries in the 2 gig wireless thermostat. The bottom panel of the thermostat comes straight off. Inside you'll see the batteries. There is a small battery removal strip. By gently pulling on it, the batteries can be taken out. There are 3 of them to replace. They are AA style batteries. Once you have the new batteries, you can put them back in. Please observe the correct polarity when you're doing so. Snap them in. Then replace the cover. Again, it slides straight on, and you're finished.